In advanced wound care production lines, the goals are clear: efficient manufacturing, precision at high speeds, and quick tool changes. Hyperion's rotary cutters are engineered for accuracy and durability, which are essential for wound care manufacturing. Hyperion's rotary cutting solutions deliver precise cuts with expert tolerances, maintaining an optimal gap between the cutting edge and the anvil. These cutters achieve precision within micrometers, minimizing waste of expensive materials like foam and silicone. Hyperion's rotary cutters, made from hardened steels and tungsten carbide, offer exceptional durability and resistance to wear and corrosion from silver salt, used in wound care for its antimicrobial properties. This extends tool life by reducing replacements and maintaining accurate cutting performance over longer periods. Hyperion's innovative tool change systems, including the quick tool change model, are designed to minimize downtime by enabling rapid tool changes for product replacements and maintenance. Hyperion's tool design allows for faster tool changes without cutting the web, further streamlining the process. Learn more today to enhance wound care production lines at www.hyperionmt.com/rotary-cutters.